Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW E60 computer. First, for a basic system reset, you can disconnect your car's battery. Make sure your ignition is off and all accessories are powered down. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Wait for at least 15 minutes before reconnecting them, positive first, then negative. This simple step often clears minor electronic issues and can resolve many common glitches you might be experiencing. Next, let's tackle the iDrive system. If your iDrive is acting up, a quick reset can often fix it. Locate the CD and DVD eject buttons on your dashboard. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. While holding them, also press and hold the volume knob for about 20 seconds. The iDrive screen will go blank and then restart, indicating a successful reset of the system. Sometimes after a battery reset, your windows or sunroof might lose their one-touch functionality. To reinitialize the windows, close each window completely, then hold its switch in the up position for about 10 seconds. For the sunroof, press and hold the tilt-up button for approximately 20 seconds. The sunroof will cycle through its positions and then reset, restoring its automatic functions. This ensures everything operates smoothly. Finally, if you're seeing a steering angle sensor error, a simple driving procedure can often reset it. Start your car and drive straight for a short distance, maintaining a speed above 10 miles per hour. This allows the sensor to recalibrate itself. If the error persists, further diagnosis might be needed. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, especially on the go, so don't miss out on those offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.